Traveling to Thailand with your little ones? Don't miss this place in Pattaya. Hi mga B! I'm back, your Ati! So, we flew from Manila to Bangkok, Thailand, then booked ng private car transfer going to Pattaya. Yung sa amin nakapaskil lang sa hotel and we contacted them on WhatsApp. Welcome to Nong Nooch Tropical Garden in Pattaya. Nabook namin ito sa Klook for just 1,907 pesos for 4 persons na mga B. Bali nasa 470 pesos lang each. O diba, Budol is real? This is one of Thailand's most famous attractions. Perfect for families and kids of all ages. Ang cute nitong elephant feeding, oh! The kids will love this close encounter. Safe, fun, and super memorable. May elephant ride din sila kaso namahalan ako. Sayang, ang lakas pa naman makakatrin Bernardo ng peg ko dun sa ano. Charing. Eto, check this out. Life-size dinosaurs. Parang nag-time travel ka sa Jurassic Park. Ang saya, lalo na for the little ones. Kami kasi wala ng little ones, kaya kami nalang umaura-aura journey. Meron ding vintage car showroom. Classic, shiny, and perfect for photo ops. And also mga biya, may resort din sila dyan na pwede kayong mag-swim-swim. Kaya if pupunta kayo ng Bangkok, make sure to add Nong Nooch to your trip. Yun lang mga bi. See you on my next vlog. Kapung ka!